My name is Matt, and here at Glenshaw Auto Service, I'm one of the service advisors. On a daily basis, we do everything from helping customers making appointments, checking in their vehicles, processing the workflow to the technicians to make sure that all the cars that are coming in are getting serviced appropriately. So everything from ordering parts, making sure if somebody needs their car by 1 o'clock, ready to go at 1 o'clock for them so they can go do whatever they need to do, and just kind of general operations, day-to-day basis stuff at Glenshaw Auto Service. Viggo Mortensen. You may know him as Aragorn from The Lord of the Rings, or many of his other film roles. And the only reason is, when he was here in Pittsburgh filming The Road, I met him. And my wife does not believe that I met him, because he was still like in his dirty bum clothes from filming. And that way I could be like, hey Viggo Mortensen, remember when we met and we talked about tattoos? And then Kate would have to be like, well, I guess it's true. So I think my most favorite things to do, hobbies that I do, so I play a lot of like nerdy games, so you can probably find me at the game store. I might be hiking, I try and do that on a regular basis. And if not, probably just hanging out at home with my wife and my dog. Poodle.
What's his or her name?
His name is Ezekiel Blackie McMasterson Horne Esquire III.edu.com #poodle. We call him Zeke for short. Tacos. Shell, meat, cheese. Oh, well then, I mean, obviously I want Kate to be there, and my dog, and probably my magic cards, because that's basically like an endless supply of entertainment. Yeah. So it's a really nerdy card game, similar to Dungeons & Dragons. It's collectible, so they come out with new cards every couple of months, and then you buy those cards and they fit into old decks that you have. You can play it one-on-one, competitively, you can play it in a group, so like there's no maximum number of players. You could sit down at a table with 10 people and all of those people could play in the same game. They could play their own separate games. I think the thing that I like most about working at Glenshaw Auto Service is that it's a small family-owned business. Super important to me because I came from a very corporate environment. I'd always had corporate jobs before this, and so getting to really interact at a high level with not only the owners but the customers and make that connection between them is really great. I really enjoy the fact that Sam and Lori give us a lot of autonomy in what we do, so we get to make decisions and there's not a lot of, you know, micromanaging in a sense. They really empower us employees to do what we need to do to take care of the customers. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. I like tacos.